From breathwork to honeybees, cookies to circular saws, Beacon Ranch Studio is as multifaceted as the human experience.
I'm MK, here to guide and inspire you by blending trauma-informed practices and ancient narratives to transform trials into paths of purpose, healing, and creative expression. Let's go explore.
Each video is crafted mindfully. My voice narrates every word, and each animated sequence is carefully designed and edited by me to inspire through timeless wisdom and modern storytelling.
Subscribe to Beacon Ranch Studio and let's paint our collective journey in vibrant strokes of creativity and insight. Join a unique tribe of brave beacons as we navigate towards a brighter dawn, embrace our inner genius and inherent self-worth. Peace.